Yeah, our conversations always end up in a nosedive. Can't see it ending any differently this time around.
Hey guys, welcome again to another video. So first and foremost, I moved from my previous apartment to this one, as you can see, and I'm really sorry I couldn't be able to do a video on the moving and stuff since that day was so stressed up. My things were so disorganized, and the people who were supposed to help me move my stuff also kind of like had a lot of issues. So that's why I decided to scratch that part. And yeah, but I'll be showing you bits of how the house looks like in my upcoming videos, and I really can't wait to work on this new place. So in today's video, I'll be doing a little bit of some meal preps here and there, and to also unbox these few items that I got from Kamukunji yesterday. So we'll begin with this first, these stuffs first, and then we'll move on to do some meal preps. So let's begin. So the first item that I got was this egg tray. Let me just remove this cover and show you how it looks. This is how it looks. So it's supposed to have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's supposed 5 times 4 is 20. So it's supposed to have like 20 eggs on the upper part and 20 eggs also on the lower part. So that totaling up to 40 eggs. So it's supposed to have 40 eggs in total. And I got it at 1200 Kenya shillings. So the next thing is these. Just carefully remove it. The next thing is this, how do we call it? Retractable shelves. We have these retractable shelves, which I'll show you later how I'll arrange my utensils on it. So this is how it looks. Yeah, this is how it looks. And I got them. I got this. I got it at 900. It was it 900 or 800? It ranges from there. Yeah, I think if it's not 800, it's 900 kind of shillings. And then again, we have these labels. We have the labels. They are 80 pieces of labels, and they come with a pen too, so I'll be using them to like label my items and stuff. And I got them at 400 Kenya shillings. Next are these fridge organizers. So you have this one. You have these fridge organizers, the small ones. So this is how they look, and I really can't wait to use them in my fridge. So I got them at 500 Kenya shillings each, and we also have these bigger ones. We have these bigger ones. So this is how they look. And I got this one at 700 Kenya shillings. So 500 each, 700 each. Another item is this bamboo organizer. I got it at 700 Kenya shillings, still at kamukunji. We also have this mortar and pestle, which I got at 250 Kenya shillings. Let me just remove this stuff. Yeah, so this is how it looks. And then again, you have this bathroom organizer. Let me just show you the scissors. Where are the scissors? Use my scissors to like cut this polythene back. We have this bathroom organizer. Just show you a picture of how it's supposed to be arranged. This is how it looks up close. So this is meant for the bathroom, and it comes with the wall sticker, which is this one. Hope you're able to see. So yeah, oh my goodness. So this is it, and I got this one at, how much was it? Yes, it was 1100 Kenya shillings. The next thing are these cute little jars. I bought 3 of them. Like these ones. The spice jars. I got these ones at 250 shillings each. Next we have this soap dispenser. And I got it at, how much was it? 300 Kenya shillings. Yeah. We also have these, let me just unbox it. We have this spaghetti jar. I only managed to get this one on because it was so damn expensive. I got it at 1,000 bob. Yes, it's a spaghetti jar. 1,000 bob. And then again, we have this. We also have this, how do you call it? An oil jar. Yeah, I got this oil jar at 600 Kenya shillings. And then again, we also have this clothes organizer, which I got at 250 Kenya shillings. Kenya shillings. Oh, it's supposed to be like this. So it's a cloth organizer, and this is how it looks. So the last thing that I got was this coffee maker. So let me just show you how it looks. This is how our coffee maker looks. It comes with a jug, and on top we have this. We have this filter. This is how it looks on the inside. Let me just show you. My goodness, let me not break it. This is how it looks on the filter. So we have this filter here. We have our jug, and this is the area where we now put our water. Our water inside. We put our water inside here, and then there's this filter over here, and then we have our jug. So that's pretty much everything that I got from Kamukunji yesterday. So let me just sort them out, and yeah.
Our conversations always end up in a nosedive. Can't see it ending any differently this time around, round. Yeah. Let's take a second and make sure we're on the right track before we say something that we both know we can't take back. Now We don't need to talk about it. There's nothing left for us to say. Too many thoughts around us. All these words are always in our way. So if you just keep me close, lead the way, take it slow, then maybe I'll get us both what we want. We don't need to talk about it. We don't need to talk about it. Yeah. We're at the point where we're supposed to say we're sorry, but it feels like we're only talking to ourselves right now. Yeah. Staying up till late, but we're still where we started. Saying things, the same things. Yeah. Had enough of it, we're just making it harder. Saying things, the same things.
So our meals are finally ready. We have our beans here, our peas, green grams, lentils, kienyeji, and some githeri. So you might just cover them up and store them in the fridge.
About it. We don't need to talk about it. About it.